Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious sauces that you can put on top of your salads, veggies, rice, potatoes, or whatever your heart desires. These sauces are fantastic, so you're probably going to want to put them on just about everything. All that coming up next. Hi, this is Joshua and welcome back to Real Life Clean Living. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about living a plant-based lifestyle, hear advice and watch tutorials on how to incorporate that into your life so you can start living a life with purpose, start out by subscribing and go ahead and make sure to tick that bell so you don't miss anything. And go ahead and let me know in the comment section what your favorite sauces are and how you use them to bring your food to the next level. The first sauce we're going to make is a creamy ranch sauce. You're going to need 2 cups of cashews for this. If you don't have a high-speed blender, go ahead and soak these with boiling water for 10 minutes. You're also going to need lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, water, pepper, dill, chives, garlic and parsley, and onion powder, and salt. Go ahead and put everything in the blender and blend it up. This sauce comes out nice and thick and creamy. If you want it a little bit thinner, go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of water to it. Next we have a strawberry balsamic sauce, super simple to make. You'll need 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. Mix it together and add a little bit of pepper for a little bit of zestiness to it. The final sauce we have is a sweet mustard sauce. Again, very simple. Take some Dijon mustard, about 2 tablespoons worth. And add some maple syrup to it. I tend to do just below 1 tablespoon. Mix it all together and enjoy. And that just about wraps it up. Let me know in the comments if you tried any of these sauces and what you thought of them. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you liked it. Subscribe, and until next time, stay real and stay clean, and I'll see you in the next video.